Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Focus tire. First, find a safe, level spot away from traffic and engage your parking brake. Place wheel chocks behind the wheels diagonally opposite the flat. Locate your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. Always check your spare tire's pressure before you need it. It should be properly inflated for safe use. Now, remove any hubcap or wheel cover to expose the lug nuts. Using your lug wrench, loosen each lug nut about 1/2 to 1 full turn counterclockwise. Don't remove them yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the designated jack point on your Ford Focus frame, usually indicated in your owner's manual. Raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. With the car safely lifted, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts. Place them in a safe spot so they don't roll away. Carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Push the spare tire firmly onto the studs until it sits flush against the hub. Once the spare is on, hand tighten the lug nuts as much as you can. Then, lower the vehicle until the spare tire just touches the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, use your lug wrench to tighten the nuts fully in a star pattern. Lower the car completely, remove the jack, and give the nuts a final check. Store your tools and the flat tire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.